shall forever fascinate upon my art. Cause on the wall of legends I'm about to make a mark. And nothing is forever, so before I dare depart, I give you flows like presents you can't wait to tear apart. Trayvon in a hoodie that could easily be me. I'm looking at the sky like how evil this could be. Where's Jesus when you need him, when we bleeding in these streets? That's why I pack a semi-auto while I'm speeding in my G. Shit is real when you living in fear of being assassinated. It ain't an option no more, homie, I have to make it. I see the lady screaming in the studio cheering, cause he's $1 million vocals with the engineering. I take a look behind me and I see visions of home. I take a look ahead of me, I see kingdoms and thrones. I'm on this journey and I am my own opponent. Forgive me, I'm just caught up in the moment. So is this what you've been waiting for? Cause the gangsters love it and the ladies do too, man. I put this on my real life, I can't explain it, it's something that just feels right. Is this what you've been waiting for? Cause the gangsters love it and the ladies do too, man. I put this on my real life, it's something that just feels right.
Yeah, you know the dealie, cause really we never rest. Last night I was in the ER, X-ray to my chest, palms sweaty, running the fever, but nevertheless I'm going through rhymes inside of my mind to relieve the stress. Come to find out the doctor said I had a throat infection.